This is the RDL PT AM-G2. It's a signal generator and a signal tracer. Has an output with a mic line switch, an input with a mic line switch. You can use battery or you can use a power supply. Speaker level right there. It's got an internal speaker. On top you got XLRs, you got RCAs. You can use either one. Let's do some signal tracing. Okay, we're going to start by using the input of the RDL unit. There's two cables that are included with the tester. One's got a male XLR and the other's got a female XLR. So we plugged it into the input. I'm going to set it down here. I'll turn the unit on. The first thing I'm going to check is line in 1 and line in 2. This is the output from the CD player. So in order to check the main outputs or the auxiliary send output with this cable, we need to use 1/4" TRS connector. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug auxiliary 1. Go ahead and plug the connector in. Then I'm going to test the output. I'm going to turn it up. The aux send 1 is the output to our monitors. Now I'm going to check main out left and right. Just going to pull the plug out, see if things stay attached. I'm going to go ahead and unplug both. I'm going to go ahead to left main out first. Let's say using the TRS connector and the alligator clips is a little tedious, maybe a little slow with the troubleshooting process. Well, if you have your own male XLR to 1/4" TRS, this works very well. Let's give it a try. So all I have to do to use this cable is I'll unplug auxiliary send 1 and I'll just plug the TRS in, and I'll turn up the signal. I can do the same with mains left and right. I'll just unplug them both, and I'll just test real quick. Okay, so now let's use the signal generator. I'm going to make sure I have it on line output. I'm going to use the female XLR to alligator clips. Go ahead and plug it in. I'm going to grab the 1/4 inch TRS. Go ahead and hook it up right now. Seems to be easier. I'm going to plug it in, and I'm going to turn it up. So now you can generate a tone through your system, and you can troubleshoot as you go along. What happens if you don't want to use this female XLR to alligator clips? If you have a cable that's a female XLR to 1/4 inch connectors, you just plug them both or one into the channels, plug it into the unit, and there you have it. Might be a simpler way of doing it for some. The last test I would like to show you is testing a microphone and a mic cable. Just plug the XLR, male XLR, into the input. Obviously plug the mic into the other end. Turn the unit on. Check 1 2, check, 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 check 1 2, check 1 2, check 1 2, check, check, check 1 2, check, 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 check. So there it is. The RDL Signal Generator Signal Tracer, model PT AM G2.